In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Up top, we're going to take these screws out, use a T25 socket. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. I just grab this trim piece on the side. You're just going to pop it out and try to pull it forward. Do the same on the other side. Pull that out. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Those out. There's two screws on the side here. Use the T25 socket. Pull those out. Now using a trim tool, just get underneath this trim. I'm just going to pop this out. It's just clipped in. We don't have to take this off completely, just want to pop it out a little. Underneath here, you can grab the light. There's a, for this side marker, just want to grab the bulb socket and just pull it straight out. You can grab this side of the bumper, just pop it out. So that pulls out. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Just grab the bumper from the front, and it pulls right off. Now I take the bumper, get this lined up. And on the sides. Now take the light and socket and put it into that light assembly. Just push it in place. That's good. I'm going to push the trim back in place. You put these screws in. Snug those down and do the same on the other side. Now underneath we'll put these screws in, snug these down. On the sides, put these screws in. This plate is going to go right here. Get that lined up. Tap it in place on the sides. And put these screws in. Snug these down. I'll put the screws in up top, snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.